We're on 92% battery life, 1.59 amp with it on one low at 32 Celsius. The temperature coming out is 69.4, but it is still charging, so I just turned it on a couple seconds ago. We're gonna go ahead and lower the temperature to 25. Gonna let that do its thing real quick on one low. We're sitting at 1.58, it looks like. 1.58. So now we're gonna go ahead and put it on 5 low. So we're at 72.5 right now. So about 5 amps. 5.5, 5.9. We're at 71, but it's cooling down. Put it at 16 Celsius, which is the lowest. I just heard the condenser turn on. So now it's starting to lower, I mean. So now we're sitting at 31, 32. And we go back. 92%. 91%. 34 amps. $65, $64, and that's at the highest speed, lowest temperature, 16 Celsius on 5 low. 35, 36 amps. $61. And I can actually see the cold air coming out of the vents right now. We're 52, 54, 49, 35, roughly 35 amps, 48 degrees, 46,